Okay guys, we're gonna do a science experiment. I'm outside of my sister's house. I haven't talked to her or anything, I'm just using her driveway. And I didn't realize how busy her street was. But we're gonna do a science experiment today. I have some ice out here, I have some paint, and I have some salt. Now, since Passover is coming up, salt is used and it's talked about for different reasons. Like we dip parsley in salt water to represent the tears that the slaves had while they were working so hard and had to do stuff all day. So the salt is important during Passover. Now we're going to do a science experiment and we're going to compare ice. We're going to see which one will melt faster. Now, I thought it was a little sunnier, but it's okay, that works. We have one plate with no salt and it's just ice. And we have another plate and I'm gonna add salt to this. I'm gonna add, see, hopefully y'all can see. I'm gonna add salt and see which one will melt faster. And because ice is really fun, it's a really fun art activity to do. You can paint it, hopefully, okay. I'm gonna paint my ice with the salt. Look at that. And look, I'm brushing the salt on the ice and it seems it's making a puddle. It's already starting to melt. Now these are melting too. I've been outside for a little while and it's been starting to melt some. Now I'm gonna be painting and playing with my salt and my ice. Let me see if I can prop you up just so you can see some of it. And I can feel the ice is getting, it's all bumpy from the salt. And it's making little holes in the ice. Craters is what we call them, like craters on the moon. Let's see. I am gonna paint. It's fun to paint ice. Even as it's melting, it's still fun. Wow, the ice is mixing. And you can see, hopefully you can see how it's starting to really melt. It's making puddles. I'm gonna add more salt, see what happens. See? It's starting to melt more. This is a fun thing to do outside. It's fun to paint outside or to bring your ice outside. I really wanted to see, I wanted to compare if being outside would make it melt faster, because it's not too hot, but it's definitely a little, it feels nice, so I would think the ice would melt, but the salt seems to be making it melt faster. I'm gonna try to rub my ice around in the salt and see, it already has like some liquid in here. Now this one got some liquid too. It's melting pretty fast actually. Which one do you think is gonna melt faster? Salt or no salt? I thought it was gonna be the one with salt gonna melt the ice faster. But I don't know, maybe it's gonna be this one. Oh look, it's spilling. See, it's really melted. But this one's melted too. Maybe if I add, I'm gonna keep adding, I'm gonna play with the salt. And whenever you're doing this, besides painting it, you can be dropping water on the ice to see if that'll make it melt faster. Or you can just be adding salt and painting. It's a fun activity to do. Okay, let's see. Let me see. I wish I could turn the camera. See, it's making holes in the ice. The salt has gotten all bumpy and it's made craters in the ice. Now let's look at this one. This ice is still smooth. Hopefully y'all can it's smooth. This one has craters. It's all bumpy. Okay. But yeah, it's a fun activity just to paint outside, paint some ice, especially when it was warmer a couple days ago. It's fun to play with ice outside or at a water table and to paint on the ground. But I'm going to end the video and I'm going to post a picture of what happens in a little while.